If you need to unlink a bank account from Google Pay, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open Google Pay. Launch the Google Pay app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the bank account you want to unlink. Step 2. Access payment methods. In the app, tap on your profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top right corner. From the menu, select payment methods to view all linked accounts. Step 3. Select the bank account. Scroll through your list of payment methods and find the bank account you wish to unlink. Tap on it to access more options related to that account. Step 4. Remove the bank account. Look for an option that says Remove or Unlink. Tap on this option to initiate the process of unlinking the bank account from your Google Pay account. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to unlink the bank account. Confirm your choice to complete the unlinking process. Once you have followed these steps, your bank account will be successfully unlinked from Google Pay. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Google Pay support.